Hey guys, welcome to RudraTech tutorial, and in this chapter 22 of Angular 8 unit testing with Jasmine and Karma, we are going to look at lazy loading routes. Objective of this video is to unit test the routes for lazy loaded modules. Now, here is a simple lazy loaded module that I have created with the routes setting the path to data calendar. There is a component created within this lazy loaded module called data calendar component, and these routes are included in the router module with for child. Now these router module for child will be included further into the app components router. Now let's go and see our unit test case. Now in this unit test case, I have included the router testing module, then the lazy loaded module, that is the module that we want to navigate to. Then I have also included the NgModuleFactoryLoader. So this will help us to load the stub module within our unit test case. Then I have included the routes. Now it has two routes. The first route is for the lazy loaded module, which will load the module lazily. Now in this case, I have included the load children and the rest of the syntax for loading a module lazily. Then I have included a default path which will navigate to a default URL. Now coming to our test suite, here some basic variables are created along with router and location. In the first before each of configuration of the test bed, here router testing module with route has been included. Then the in declaration app component is included and the providers authentication services are included. In the second before each, we have created the router location fixture component and router dot initial navigation. So this will set up the location change listener, and this will perform certain initial navigation for our unit test cases. Then comes our unit test case. Now here I have created a variable for loader. Now the objective of our unit test is to test the route with the lazy loaded module. In this case, the NgModuleFactoryLoader will give us an object of the loader. Now I am getting this NgModuleFactoryLoader from testbed. Why? Because this router testing module will contain the dependency for the loader, and hence we have created a loader object. Now this loader object is useful for creating the stubbed modules. Now in this case, we don't want to make sure that the module is loaded or not. We just want to navigate to our path and make sure that the navigation is successful. And hence in this case, we have executed loader.stubbed modules. Now this will be loading the lazy loaded module. So this is kind of a dummy loading of the module. Then in the next step, we have executed router.navigate by URL in order to navigate us to the path of the lazy loaded module. And once this is executed, take fixture.detect changes is executed, and in the last statement we are going to expect that the location.path to be the path or the URL described in the routes for the lazy loaded module. Now this test case is a very simple test case that I have prepared to demonstrate to you how to unit test the routes with the lazy loading modules. I hope you have understood this video, and do subscribe. Thank you.